Hi guys, in this next series of videos I'm going to be showcasing a few products that might help bring your YouTube production values to another level. In this video I'll be featuring the heavy duty overhead camera desk mount from JEBUTU model MS05. Overhead shots are important when reviewing products, and having a good stable mount for your camera will make the footage look a lot better. I did not use this product for this video, and you can see how unstable the overhead shots look. This mount should fix the problem. The mount seems to be built very well. All the parts are made of metal. It is extremely sturdy and holds my camera very well. It can hold a camera up to 6.6 pounds and has a standard 1/4 inch screw connection made of stainless steel. My only real complaint is the ball head. While it feels very sturdy and does work, I have to tighten it quite a bit to get it to hold my camera in place. Each section can also be mounted to a standard light stand to add even more versatility. It comes in three 14.5 inch sections that can articulate, allowing for a lot of flexibility overall. The total length comes to 41 inches when they're all connected together. I paid around $27 for this, and I think overall you get a whole lot for your money here. I will probably buy a better ball head for it in the future. The desk clamp is also very good quality and opens up quite a bit to support even larger sized desks. The clamp has padded jaws to not damage the desk. Each section goes together and comes apart easily with just a few turns of a knob. You can adjust the angle of each section with the larger knob. If you want to see how well this works, please subscribe and check out my upcoming videos. I think this is well worth the money and I fully recommend it. Here is what it looks like with the camera attached. Check out my other videos if you want to see everything I got to get started on YouTube. Every overhead shot will be from this mount.